Vanson armor and how to install it. The first armor we will talk about is our patented Prix floating hard armor system. Our current generation of hard armor, the fruit of extensive racetrack experience, is the patented Vanson Prix floating armor system. The armor pieces are assembled at Vanson of a hard thermoplastic disc sewn to closed-cell impact-absorbent polyethylene foam, laminated on both sides to Velcro pile for strength and rigidity, with the edges encapsulated in our 3.5-ounce leather for added protection from the edges of the plastic shell. Floating attachment system shared with our current generation of soft armor brings another important benefit. In an accident, the forces of landing and sliding can cause the jacket or suit to pull away from you. The floating armor system allows the armor to stay in position. Let's look at the Vanson GP armor. The Vanson back pad is constructed of scales that overlap, creating an articulating surface for maximum protection for your spine. Our shoulder armor has 3 Velcro mounting points and a notch that is positioned facing the center of the suit during installation. Armor securely covers the shoulder during a crash. With the floating system, the leather moves, not the armor. The hip armor, with its Velcro mounting surface, allows you to position it for comfort and maximum protection. Just like the shoulder armor, the elbow forearm armor has Velcro mounting straps, allowing the armor to float and stay securely over the elbow for maximum protection. The knee armor. We've cut a point in the polyethylene foam. This points to the top of the leg when inserting into the suit. The Vanson soft armor is CE Level 1 approved and designed to be the most flexible and least noticeable choice for an added layer of protection between you and the road. A very specific type of rubber was chosen to absorb impact and soften the blow of ground contact. Vanson armor is specifically designed for excellent protection, retained by Velcro fields on the inner face of the leather, fitting unobtrusively behind the lining. It helps keep you safe whether you are wearing a race suit, jacket, or pants. Now let's look at the Vanson CE approved soft armor. The CE armor is available with 2 types of mounting straps, one for track use, the other for the street. Here is the street armor. This is the shoulder armor. Just like the GP armor, it has an elastic and Velcro floating attachment system. There is one version of CE armor for the elbow and knee. The ones shown here are the street version. The track version has 2 straps to accommodate the suit mounting points. Let's look at how to install the Vanson CE approved soft armor in the hybrid suit. Starting with the shoulder armor, locate the 3 mounting points in the shoulder of the suit. Take the top 2 elastic Velcro tabs and attach them to the top 2 mounting points. Then press the 3rd mounting point into place and adjust for fit. The hip armor we are about to install is the same used on all our suits or armor-ready pants. When installing the hip armor, cup your hand over the Velcro to prevent it from sticking to the suit liner and insert it into the hip area, aligning it with the pile Velcro strip. You can position the hip armor for comfort and maximum protection. The knee armor is installed again by cupping your hand over the Velcro strips and inserting it into the knee area, affixing it to the installed pile Velcro strips. It can be adjusted for comfort and fit. Note that there are long and short ends to the armor. The long section is installed toward the ankle. To attach the CE elbow armor to the hybrid, again cup your hand over the Velcro straps, long section pointing to the cuff, and insert the armor down the sleeve, aligning it with the installed pile Velcro. As with all of our armor, you can adjust it to fit and comfort. The CE back pad can be fit to this hybrid suit or any of our armor-ready jackets. Here we are installing the pad in a jacket. After unzipping the liner, there will be a hook loop Velcro mounting strap mounted to the suit or jacket. After you have positioned the back pad in its proper location, affix the Velcro straps to the pad's pile surface. Zip the liner and it's done. We will now install the Vanson GP floating hard armor system in one of our custom suits. First, we will install the GP shoulder armor. Locate the notch in the polyethylene foam. With the notch facing the center of the back, take the Velcro straps and attach them to their corresponding mounting points in the shoulder of the suit. As with all of our armor, you can adjust the position for comfort and fit. Next is the elbow GP armor. Take and cup your hand over the Velcro mounting straps and insert the armor down the sleeve. Locate the installed pile Velcro straps and attach the armor. Adjust if needed. Not shown is the knee and hip armor installation. Mounting for these GP pieces is identical to the CE knee and hip insertion shown earlier in this video. The final piece of GP armor we are going to install is the articulating armor back pad. This armor is available in versions from 3 to 7 scales, depending upon your size. Inside the liner of the suit, you will find 2 straps between the shoulder with Velcro hook loops. Insert the back pad with the scales facing the back of the suit under the straps with the flat top section of the pad towards the collar. Attach the Velcro to the pile surface. Located near the waist of the suit, attached to the liner, is a third Velcro strap. With the pad flat against the suit, attach the Velcro to the pile cover. Zip up the liner and you are now done. Thank you for choosing Vanson for your riding protection. Enjoy your racing.